Can't lock your rip fence in place? Then you might need a new rail lock lever. The rail lock lever engages the fence rail lock on your table saw. The handle is made of plastic and attaches to the locking shaft on your saw. Most issues with the rail lock lever are the result of breaking it off, either by something striking it or damage during transport. Replacing the rail lock lever is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. To make this repair, we'll need to lay the saw onto its top. So the first thing I'll do is remove everything from the table surface, starting with the upper guard. Next, the anti-kickback fingers, the fence. I'll need the riving knife in its lowest position, so I'll remove the throat plate next. Now release the riving knife tightening screw. I'll push the screw in, and that'll allow me to lower the knife. I can tighten it back up. Now I can lower the blade all the way down into the table. With the table surface clean, now I can go ahead and turn the saw over onto its top. Now I need to remove this yellow side panel. This is the side panel that's on the side of the saw with the rail lock lever. It's held in place with a series of screws. There's 2 more screws on the exterior side of the panel. Now I need to remove the 2 brackets that secure the locking shaft to the saw table. The old rail lock lever is secured to the locking shaft with a nut, and I'll go ahead and remove it. Now install the new rail lock lever and secure it with the washer and nut. Now resecure the locking shaft with the plates and screws. Now I'll reinstall the side plate. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the throat plate, the fence, and the guard.